Hi, I'm a avid home sourdough baker, and I'm here to tell you about the Broad & Taylor baking shell. I purchased one a few months ago, and I have not looked back on using anything other than the baking shell. I used to be a regular user of Dutch ovens, and I can tell you that the weight, the preheating, and just the fear of searing my arms has always been a problem. And I just love the fact that you can easily lift the shell off so simply. Obviously, I don't have bread in here, but it's super light. It's easy to use. I put it right on my steel, and it bakes fantastic bread. The steaming process works excellent. I see no difference with what I did with the Dutch ovens, so highly recommend it. And while you're on their site, make sure you check out the Sourdough Home as well as the Prover, amongst other products. They're wonderful, and that will change your baking life. So good luck baking. Happy baking.